How do I set up and activate both eSIM and physical SIM for the same number?
Hello viewers! Today, we're going to walk you through a very exciting topic, setting up and activating both eSIM and physical SIM for the same number on your smartphone. This dual SIM functionality offers a great deal of flexibility and convenience.
What is eSIM and physical SIM?
Before we dive into the how-tos, let's quickly clarify what we mean by eSIM and physical SIM. A physical SIM is a small card that you insert into your phone, while an eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM that lets you activate a cellular plan without having to use a physical SIM card.
Checking if your phone supports dual SIM.
The first thing to do is check if your phone supports dual SIM. Not all phones do. To check, you can go to your phone settings and look for SIM settings or network settings. If you see options for 2 SIMs, then your phone likely supports dual SIM.
Setting up your physical SIM.
To start with, let's focus on the physical SIM. Insert your physical SIM card into the SIM card slot of your phone. After inserting, your phone should automatically detect the SIM card. You might need to restart your phone.
Activating your eSIM.
Now onto the eSIM. Each carrier has its own method for activating an eSIM. Generally, you'll receive a QR code from your carrier. Go to your phone settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Look for the option to add an eSIM or add a network. You can then scan the QR code provided by your carrier. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the eSIM activation process.
Using both SIMs.
Once both SIMs are set up, you can select which SIM you want to use for calls, messages, and data. In your phone settings, under Network and Internet, you should see both of your SIMs listed. You can select default SIMs for mobile data, calls, and text messages. So that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to set up and activate both your eSIM and physical SIM on your phone for the same number. This can give you a lot of flexibility, especially if you travel often or have separate personal and work numbers. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your mobile carrier for support. Happy connecting!